world.
I'm doing it.
Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And I've got Tool Girl Hana back in the workshop, and there's a very, very specific reason for that today.
Is there?
Yeah, I gave you a shirt not so long ago.
This shirt?
That shirt. And it was done to camera, and it was what, probably a 4, maybe a 5-minute video at the very most of me passing you the shirt and you turning your back to camera, taking your top off as you turned, so we saw your back, and then you put the shirt on. And we had a bit of banter, and it was great fun. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
And I thought, well, you know, the guys are going to want to see that, so let's just have some fun making a quick video. Wow. I had no idea what was going to happen on YouTube.
Amazing.
How many views now, Hannah?
Nearly, like really close to 600,000 views.
600,000 views. That means it's my number 2 video. So you're this close to having more views than me spending an hour and a half stripping down an old Honda engine that ran out of oil.
That is so cool. Thanks, guys.
It's unreal. It really is.
Of
So
little old me putting on a shirt.
yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, but it's a pretty cool video, don't get me wrong.
It is.
Yeah. So I will put a link at the end of this video, so if you haven't yet seen that one, you're missing out, people. You need to get on there. It's just, it's good laugh. And I think you've set a bit of a testament now. For any new tool girls that come on board, there will be a, provided of course they meet the criteria and they do a good job on camera, because we'll be doing a few test videos where they won't be wearing a tool girl shirt. If they get given a tool girl shirt, then there'll be a video of me presenting it to them, and we'll see what they can make of it.
Good idea.
Yeah, I thought so, because there's lots of different ways you can put a shirt on.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so watch this space. So like I said right at the start, it's celebration time. So Hannah,
Yes.
just come and stand here and close your eyes.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Never done this kind of stuff before. So
Woo!
we've got some
Ooh.
bubbles.
Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna need that.
Yay.
And we needed some glasses, didn't we?
Woohoo!
So are you gonna pop the cork, or am I?
Can you please pop it for me?
Oh my word! I'll let you pour it then. How's that?
Okay.
All right?
Oh yay! Is this to celebrate nearly 600,000?
It really,
views?
really is. 600,000 views. And how many weeks? Probably about 2 weeks with it. 2, maybe 3 weeks.
Yeah, but in the first week, we saw it every day. It was just like climbing. It was amazing. I was getting actually really excited.
It was just. I
really was.
I tell you what, right? So I'm at work, and of course I have my personal phone at work, and I got my work phone at work. And I didn't have to just put my personal phone on silent or on vibrate. I had to put it on silent because it was just going off all the time with notifications of comments on that video.
Yeah.
And I have to say, 99.9% of those comments were very positive.
I know.
Yeah.
No,
There's
so
obviously the odd
nice.
troll out on the YouTube.
Oh, of course. Haters gonna hate, right?
Yeah, of course they are. And you know, those comments, they got deleted, believe me. But
they don't stick around
I was
very long.
really chuffed
We
with
like
that.
positive comments. If you've got nothing nice to say, I say don't say anything at all, because you know it's nice to keep uplifting people in this world and be positive.
I'm going to shake it a bit.
Oh no! Oh really? You want it to be like?
Right.
Oh.
Okay, you got to stand up a bit because there's lights, and I'm really. I know you're okay with this.
I'm
You're
okay.
All right,
Okay.
so
You're
you
freaking
hold
me
it.
out.
All right, you ready?
Andy, you're freaking me out. Like,
It's going. It's going. You ready?
No, I'm not going my face. I can't.
Hey! There you go.
Ah, wow.
Is it cold?
Yeah,
Good.
that was hot. Excuse my face while I'm freaking out.
Yeah, we'll let those bubbles come down. Let's do another one.
Amazing.
Yeah, this is definitely called for.
Oh, I think so. I think
And
you're right.
I think there'll be another one when we hit 1 million views.
Absolutely. Come on, guys. Yeah, I'll just fill this one up.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I'm not going to shortchange you on that one.
No way. There we go.
Excellent.
Does that look okay?
It looks just perfect to me. So, congratulations, Tool Girl
Aw,
Hana.
thanks.
You've done a fantastic job for this channel.
Yay.
I'm really,
Thanks, Andy.
really proud. Proud's the word to have you here.
Thank you.
Even though I've got my hand on your ankle.
Where's his hand? There it is.
No, it's around the waist. It really is, honestly. Jeez,
Well,
terrible.
thanks for having me.
And here's to a long future.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch this space, gentlemen. Cheers.
Oh, that's nice.
That's good
That
gear.
is really nice. What is
That's
it?
good gear. So we haven't got cider Saturday this week.
No.
Oh, what is it? Daniel Lebrun.
Oh, that's nice.
Pronounced completely wrongly in a Yorkshire accent, probably. But there
Yeah,
you
that's
go.
good. Thank you so much.
That's
Celebration. Wow, I didn't expect that. That's
Good
cool.
job.
Thank you so
Well,
much.
You deserve it. So
Aw.
here's to everybody out there as well that supported the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, because
Absolutely.
for the last 2.5 years that channel started off basically as nothing, just an idea. And it was originally done for the students, my students when I used to be a lecturer at at Unitech.
Yeah.
I was a lecturer for 5 years, and I got really into the e-learning aspect and making videos to teach the students how to do things. So they, especially the foreign students, where they could actually watch the video over and over again. And
Yeah.
if they weren't too sure about, because English wasn't usually wasn't their first language, they could stop the video and look up the word,
Oh, yeah.
do a bit of research, then carry on. And they found it really helpful. And that was something that I never really thought about when I was
Okay.
making the videos. So they asked me to carry on. And really, without them pushing me to do it,
Oh,
we
wow.
wouldn't be here now.
That's cool.
And I'm really glad we are, because I love this channel.
Yeah, it's
I
very
actually
cool.
really, really enjoy making videos for you guys. And I think we're up to 3.3 million views now since we started the channel. 3.3 million views. And something like almost 30 million minutes watched, I think, from memory. I could be wrong, but you guys can find out. It's on the screen.
That
anyway.
is very cool.
Okay, so yes, thank you very much. And
you.
also, not just to the viewers, but to the other YouTube creators that have supported and helped me to sort of massage this channel into something which is a little bit more appealing to the wider audience, because end of the day, it's all well and good having a super technical, educational based YouTube channel, but for the masses, it's not that relevant. It's important to have something that really is provided on a level that most people can understand and benefit from. And that's why this channel exists. It's there for entertainment and to spread the knowledge
That's
of
good.
how to fix cars
It's
and motorbikes
amazing
and
because
things,
lots
you know?
of, lots of people don't know lots about
No.
how to do
and
simple things, even like changing a what is it, light bulb?
Yep.
And-
Oh, I went to Repco last night in the company car. Went to Repco. The right-hand dip beam bulb had blown. You think, hey, no worries, I'll change the bulb. Dead easy job. Fortunately, I had my toolbox, one of my other Tang toolbox, in the back of the car. I needed it was a star, not a Allen key socket, but a star type Allen key. To get 2 screws out, I had to turn the wheels to one side and go in through under the wheel arch to change the bulb. You can't get to the bulb from under the bonnet.
Right.
What a stupid idea.
Yeah, it's crazy.
How are you going to do that at the side of the road in the middle of the night? You can't. Come on, car manufacturers. You've got to make it so that, especially headlight bulbs and taillight bulbs, are easy to replace
Exactly.
without any tools. You know,
Yeah.
most people don't have tools with them, and they have to change that
And
bulb.
lots of women as well. Lots of women need to know how to do simple things.
Yep. I mean, I remember when I first got given that car, it blew a headlight bulb, and I opened the bonnet, couldn't see how to do it. Hey, it's a company car, it's not mine. Why should I spend my time on it
Absolutely.
fixing it? So I took it down to Holden.
Yep.
Said, gentlemen, I'd like you to fit a new bulb to one of the headlights. And they took the car into the workshop, put it on the hoist to fit a bulb, and I'm like, what's going on? Because I was
Wow.
watching. Yeah, put it on the hoist,
No.
took the wheel off, and then pulled back the inner liner of the wheel arch, and then got to the bulb, changed the bulb, and it was like half an hour's labour plus the cost of a bulb. It was like $80
No,
to
what?
change a bulb.
That's crazy.
It was just ridiculous. And this is how garages these days and manufacturers are making so much money.
Yeah.
And it's really important I think, that people are able to do stuff themselves.
Absolutely agree.
Yeah, and that's where these videos hopefully will come in.
Absolutely.
So there you go. So a bit of a rant, but I
He's
really
good at
enjoyed that. I am very good at ranting, but it's not often I get to talk about this kind of stuff.
Yeah, no, it's great, and so you should. You're proud. This is your baby,
I'm really proud.
isn't it? It's
yeah.
like
And plus I've got my arm around your waist. I
you want to keep it there.
Okay, so going back to the video we started off talking about, which was Hannah getting a new shirt, and the fact that we're probably thousands of comments came through on that video.
So many.
I mean, there were so many views, it's just ridiculous. So what I've done is I've just gone through and printed off a few, and this really is just a fraction of the comments. And because Hannah is so popular on this channel and has become so much part of the Andy Buchanan YouTube channel.
So nice.
YouTube channel. I think we can give Hannah her own segment where she can respond to to comments that have been left for Hannah or about Hannah on those videos. And I won't even be in those videos. Obviously she'll be wearing a Tool Girl shirt and all that kind of stuff, and she'll be here in the workshop. But, but it'll give her an opportunity to answer any comments that you leave. So if you do leave a comment on one of the videos, maybe, just maybe, she'll come back to you and answer it for you.
Yeah.
Or comment on it.
Sure will.
Cool. Okay. Well, there you go. I have marked one or two. If you want to have a go. Just pick, I don't know, pick 2 or 3 and see what you think. Jeez. Look, I've got some catching up to do.
Oh, sorry.
God.
He's been ranting. I've been drinking.
Yeah, I know. I need an intravenous drip. That's why.
Okay, so we've got from Steve Black. We've got, what the hell have I stumbled across? Thank you, YouTube. That is so nice. I'm just picking out a few. There's quite a lot here. Breaking toast. I need Hana, it's pronounced. I need Hana to rotate my bearings.
Sounds painful to me.
It does actually. And from Jeff Halsey. Depends where he's from.
Yours, yeah. I'm from Yorkshire, so I
Jeff,
pronounce
sorry
everything
about
Yorkshire.
that if we haven't got that quite right, but Jeff, what a delightful, naughty girl. Many thanks, Hannah. You've made an aging biker
Jeff,
very happy today.
You don't know the half of it, mate.
Definitely no complaints from me. Or an aging biker.
Yes.
Sounds good.
Biker.
Yeah.
Like.
Oh, I like this one from Sean Sim. Christ! I would need a bucket of frozen ice down my pants to work with that chick. Okay, well, you know where the fridge is.
I can vouch for that, gentlemen. Regular cold showers are a good thing.
Let's have a look. What else? We've got so many. Oh my goodness, look at these pages.
Yeah, I didn't mark all of them.
Pages after pages.
Yeah. I'd run out of ink.
Hang on, what's this one? What is her tattoo? Well, we can show a bit more of that on when we do my segment, maybe.
I reckon you could, yes. Very nice.
And that is from Michael Cross.
What's this one here? I just spotted a particularly bad word there.
Oh, yeah.
Steve
Matsukawa.
You're better at this than I am. Okay. So it says, Andy, since I don't have a religious butt plug up my ass, I do not find it offensive to see the beauty of the human form. I love your tongue-in-cheek style.
Very cool.
Excellent, Steve.
Yeah.
I think you've hit the nail on the head with that.
No butt plug.
No, there's no butt plug.
No butt plug.
Can't believe I said the word butt plug on the channel.
Oh, you need more cameras.
Yes, that's a really good idea. Bonus footage, gentlemen. Get your credit card out.
And Nathan C. Never complain about impromptu nudity. Just say, yes, please. And thank you.
Excellent. Okay, I think you should save some for later.
Oh, sure,
That's great.
Sure.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a sign off.
Okay.
Okay, well, we need to finish the champagne first.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Whoo.
Jeez, this afternoon's work's going to be so hard now because we've still got over half a bottle to go. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, and of course, hopefully you've watched now the video of Hannah being given her shirt, why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up, click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications, and our friends down at YouTube will send you an email as and when I upload any new videos.
Sorry.
Champagne. I'm gonna burp. There's a burp coming.
That's okay.
All right.
Edit it.
Honestly, it's far more fun not editing it. It really is. What are you doing now?
I'm just.
You're playing with the puppies again.
Is that what you call them?
Yeah, puppies are out, gentlemen. Okay. You'll also find me on
Facebook, Instagram, Google, and Twitter.
Yes, you got it right. Well done. Good job.
I can be an actress. I do know my lines.
That's the only lines you have. Everything else is impromptu. Okay, crew. So feel free to communicate through any of those portals, but if you wouldn't mind, first point of contact through the comments on the YouTube channel. That's usually where I am, and it's much easier to comment and reply back to you that way. It is, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Also, yeah, what else have we got? There's a Patreon page.
Patreon, yeah.
Drop on the Patreon page. You'll get to read all about the history of the channel, what's coming up next, future projects, and ideas that I've got. And you can voice your opinion. And if you fancy, if you want to, then you can also donate too. All helps.
Do that.
Yeah.
Do that. And send me some nice little things to wear under my shirt, because, you know, I don't think wearing nothing...
I actually prefer it like that.
Like this?
Yes,
with something?
I do
with
actually
something.
prefer it.
But
Yeah.
I'd like to change it up, you know, like
Okay.
little lacy tops or,
Yeah.
you know, some
Nice.
little cute
Vary it a bit.
harnesses.
Yeah.
You know, you can buy those little harness type things that I'm sure you guys can use your imagination.
I was going to say
Google
bondage,
some
but...
things. Yeah, it is kind of like that. It's like these
okay.
little harness
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
And just to have something different underneath, you know.
You're going to get people sending you bondage gear now.
Whips and chains.
My life's going to be so hard. Okay, if you want to do anything like that, then you'll find the PO box address on the profile information about the Andy Mechanic channel. But just for you, it's PO Box 6265, Wellesley Street, Auckland, and the postcode is 1141. And of course, we're here in sunny New Zealand. And it is sunny today. It was pouring down rain yesterday. Gorgeous today.
And if you did send me some stuff, I can wear it and shout out to the person that's
Absolutely.
provided something sexy for under my shirt.
That's fine. I've
Because I
got
would
no problems at all
love
with that.
that, guys.
Yeah,
That would be awesome.
Yeah. Good job. Okay, crew. Well, until next time, we've got some more champagne to get through, so I'm going to have to sign off now because things could get a bit too intimate.
See ya.
See you guys. Cheers. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. See you around. Hey, Tool Girl Sam. How are you?
Back.
You're back. Fantastic.
So long.
I know, and I've got a new shirt, so I thought it's only right that I give you a new shirt too. So there you go.
So excited for my new shirt, and I don't have to wear different shirts every day. And as a classic Tool Girl Sam move, I am going to wear it like this. Wow, would you look at that? I'd say that is a great present for your girlfriend if she's into tools. If she's not, she's probably into tools because you're a tool. See what I did there? Tool Girl shirt, perfect.